Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see offset entities option in SolidWorks. Now, I have created this hexagon. Now, we'll perform this offset entities option on this hexagon. Now, just click on this offset entities option. Here, what we can see is the parameters. Now, for offsetting, we need to enter the offset distance. Now, here, the by default offset distance is 10 mm. We can also increase the offset distance and decrease the offset distance. Okay, now here there is another option, that is add dimension, reverse, select chain, bidirectional, construction geometry. Inside construction geometry, there is a base geometry and offset geometry option. We will see the meaning of these options one by one. I will first deselect all these options and we will select these options one by one. Suppose I want to offset this edge, okay, and I will select this edge basically. Then I will select the offset distance. Okay, now suppose this offset distance is some 300 mm. Okay, now suppose some 250 mm. Now as you can see over here, this line is getting offsetted in outward direction. If you want to offset this line in inward direction, we have to select reverse option. And if you want to again offset this line in both inward and outward direction, then we can select bidirectional option. Okay, now when you select bidirectional option, this reverse option is automatically deselected. Again, we can add dimension to this offset distance. So when you select this add dimension, this offset distance will be automatically dimension. Here there is a select chain option. What do you mean by select chain? Now this line is forming a closed loop, means when this line is in contact with this line, again this line is in contact with this line, again on this line and this line, so it is forming closed loop. So all the lines will be selected when I select chain. Okay, it means this line is in forming a chain with. So this line is forming chain with this, again this. So where the chain will end, there it will stop. When I select chain, all the lines are forming chain, so basically all the lines will get selected. Okay, it's simple. Then again it is getting offsetted by 250 mm. Again what we have selected is bidirectional. So when I remove bidirectional, it is going to offset in inward direction because reverse. Again if you deselect reverse, in outward direction it will get offsetted. Here there is a construction geometry and offset geometry option. Okay, I will select bidirectional geometry, bidirectional offset, and we'll see this construction geometry. Now if I want to make my base geometry as a construction geometry, okay, what is construction geometry? The geometry that is made up of construction lines, that is construction geometry. So if I want to make my base geometry as construction geometry, I will select this base geometry option. If I want to make offset geometry as my construction geometry, then I will select offset geometry option. If I want to make both base geometry and offset geometry as my construction geometry, I will select both the options and I will just click OK. Okay, so in this way, this was our base or parent geometry, this was our first offset geometry, and this was our second offset geometry. So in this way we can create a offset geometry in SolidWorks. That is all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorials, we are going to see mirror entities, linear sketch pattern and move entities option in SolidWorks. That's all. Thank you.